68th problem na. 68th. Next problem number 68th na. Look here. Two trains are moving towards each other at a speeds 144 km per hour, 54 km per hour relative to the ground. The second sounds visually a frequency. Okay. Look here now. Here, look here now. This is the train 1. This is the train 2. Train to whistle the sound. And this is train 1 nana. This is train 2. Train to whistle. Whistle means this can be considered as a source. Because source always to produce the sound. This is the observer nana. Observer listen sound nana. Okay. Here nana first velocity of observer is given 144 kilometer per hour can be converted 5 by 18 meter per second 40 meter per second 18 8 8 into 5 40. Vs is given 54 kilometer per hour means 5 by 18 3 into 5 15 meter per second. And again frequency of sound is given 710 Hz. The frequency of his whistle as heard by the passenger in the first train after the trains have crossed each other. Here keyword in the problem nana crossed. That means this is the source nana. This is the source. Initially look here nana. Two trains are moving towards each other. Once again I repeat. Initially two trains towards each other. That means observer and source both are approach each other. Finally both are cross each other means nana. Look here nana. Look here. Source here. Observer is here. What is the apparent frequency formula? What is the general equation? N V V naught. Very important nana. V Vs. This is the general equation. According to question, crossed each other means source here, observer is here. Look here. Here V naught is taken at this situation other to be considered as a rest. Here this will be moving in this direction. This is source is at rest. Source at rest, observer is moving away. He listen less sound. That means V minus V naught. Okay. Again it will be taken. Vs is taken. Vs is in motion. Other considered as a rest. Observer at rest. Source is moving away means the observer listen less sound. That means here write plus. Here n value is given according to question 710. Velocity of sound is given 340. V naught is given 40. Here 340 plus 15 355. 355 2 times 2 into 300 600 Hz is given. Okay, here write minus or plus. For example, here V naught is taken, source considered as a rest. Vs taken, observer at rest. Here convention రాసేటప్పుడు Vs ఉన్నప్పుడు other considered as assumed as a rest. అప్పుడు డైరెక్షన్ చూసుకొని మైనస్ ప్లస్ పెట్టాలి. అది ఒకసారి జాగ్రత్తగా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అది వస్తే ఇక అన్నీ వచ్చేసినట్టు. నెక్స్ట్ నాన్న ఐ డిస్కస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 17 నాన్న కాన్సెప్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్. లుక్ హియర్. Here observer is moving a circular track. Source is at center. Once again, observer is moving in the circular track and source is at rest nana. Look here, observer is moving a circular track and source is at rest and placed at center. Nana here, look here. The relative distance between observer and source in each situation is same because here this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius, this is the radius. That means the relative distance between observer and source always same. That means there is no relative motion, there is no Doppler effect. There is no Doppler effect means apparent frequency equal to actual frequency. Find apparent frequency and actual frequency is given 200. So apparent frequency heard by the observer also 200. We know that Doppler effect limitations are 3 is there. One is there is no relative motion, there is no Doppler effect. Observer and source both are moving perpendicular. There is no Doppler effect. There is no Doppler effect. Okay. Nana, next Nana, the problem number I discussed 72 Nana, 71 Nana, look here. 71 Nana, look here Nana. This is the car Nana. This is the driver inside the car Nana. Here what is the use of car? To produce the sound. Sound traveled in the form of waves Nana. This is the wall Nana. Here Nana, this reflected sound Nana. The question is the apparent frequency heard by the driver. Here driver is a observer Nana. Same diagram I draw here Nana. This is the observer. Observer velocity is V0. This is the wall acts as a virtual source Nana. Its velocity is Vs. Both are giving vehicle velocity 20. Automatically vehicle inside driver is there. Driver speed also 20. Wall acts as a mirror. Velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. So that's why this is the source Nana. That is reflected sound speed also 20, because in the wall acts as a virtual source, overall wall acts as a mirror. In the ray optics I discussed velocity of the object equal to velocity of the image. Driver moving here Nana. Reflected wave moving here Nana. Both are approach. Find apparent frequency. What is the N dash formula? General formula N into V naught V Vs. Here V naught discuss చేసేటప్పుడు Nana, other can be considered as a rest. Here V naught is moving, source is at rest. First fix it. Observer moving towards the source. Observer listen maximum sound. Maximum sound means plus. Okay. Once again I repeat Nana, same situation. Look here. Here source is in motion. Observer at rest. Source is in motion. Observer at rest. Source moving towards the observer. Observer listen maximum sound. It can be considered as a minus. Here maximum. Here write minus. What is the frequency value Nana? The question number 671. Frequency is 620. V value is given 330 plus V0 20. Here also 330 minus 20. Here Nana, finally we get 620 into 350. Here 310. 310 how many times? 2 times. 2 into 350, finally we get 700 Hz. Okay, Nana, concepts istanu chudandi. For example Nana, this is the sound propagation. Look here, this is the velocity of sound denoted by in the chapter V. Velocity of source denoted by V0. Velocity of the observer denoted by VO. Okay, this is the source propagation Nana. This is the source propagation. Velocity of sound in this direction. For example, wind blows in the same direction అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఫార్ములాలో V తీసుకోకూడదు నాన్న, V ప్లస్ VW. ఓకే, హియర్ V indicate velocity of sound, VW indicate velocity of the wind. Next situation Nana, here this is the V Nana, this is the VW Nana, VW. Okay, look here Nana, this is the V, this is the VW. In this situation both are in opposite direction అన్నాడు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే V ప్లేస్లో V మైనస్ VW తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే సౌండ్ విండ్ కంపేర్ చేసుకోవాలన్నా బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే V ప్లస్ VW తీసుకోండి. బోత్ ఆర్ ఇన్ ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే we take V minus VW. Here V indicate velocity of sound, VW indicate velocity of wind. ఎప్పుడైనా ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఆఫ్ ద వేవ్ ఫార్ములా బేసిక్ ఫార్ములా V బై లాంబ్డా. అంటే అప్పుడప్పుడు అపరెంట్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ప్లేస్లో అపరెంట్ వేవ్ లెంత్ అంటాడు, అప్పుడు ఎన్ డాష్ ప్లేస్లో V బై ఏం తీసుకోవాలి, లాంబ్డా డాష్. గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాను, అపరెంట్ వేవ్ లెంత్ అడిగినప్పుడు ఎన్ తీసేసి ఎన్ ప్లేస్లో ఏమి రాస్తారు, V బై లాంబ్డా. ఓకే, V బై లాంబ్డా. ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్నీ నీట్గా చెక్ చేసుకున్నాను. టుడే అండ్ టుమారో 3 concepts, please revise all MPC students. One is organ pipes, next one is beads, next one is Doppler effect. Next week onwards electrical charges, electricity starts so that's why please revise these 3 concepts: organ pipes, next beads, next Doppler effect, and all assignments to solve in your own manner, because this is the most important topics in this week. Nearly 2 JEE mains questions occur in the final exam, so that's why these three, one is organ pipes, another one is beads, another one is Doppler effect. Revise more and again more please to revise today and tomorrow all physics you will get 100 out of 100 easily to get in the next examination, Sunday examination. Please revise and please write the examination. Thank you. Oksari.